From Pinhole to Print, Inspiration, Instructions, and Insights in Less Than an Hour. Written by Gary Fabry, Malin Fabry, and Peter Wickland. Building the camera in 6 simple steps. Step 1 is light proofing. Tape all folds and corners on the outside and on the inside too. Spray both the inside of the lid and the can with flat black paint. Step 2, making the paper holder. Take a piece of cardboard and cut 4 strips, 2 thick and 2 thin. They should be slightly shorter than the height of the can. Glue the thinner pieces on top of the thicker ones. Insert a paper for measure and glue the cardboard pieces just outside the outer edges of the paper to make a slot for the paper. Step 3, making the hole for the pinhole. Use a utility knife to make a hole in the center of the can opposite the paper holder you just made. Step 4, making the pinhole. Use a thin metal sheet and cut a small piece. This is called a shim. Make a drill using a needle and a pencil. Drill once, turn the shim over, and sand it lightly. Gently put the needle in the hole again and twist back and forth without pushing to clear the hole of any trash. Hold the shim up to the light and see if the pinhole is round. Step 5, mounting the pinhole. Use black tape to fasten your pinhole. Be certain to center it. Make a simple shutter using another piece of black tape. Step 6, loading the paper and testing for light leaks. Test your camera with the shutter in place. Load the camera in the darkroom. Expose the camera to bright light for 15 minutes without opening the shutter. Develop the paper. If the paper is gray, your camera has light leaks, and you'll have to light proof it again. If your paper is still white, you can reload your camera and take a picture with your brand new pinhole camera. Read more in our book, From Pinhole to Print, Inspiration, Instructions, and Insights in Less Than an Hour. The book can be ordered from www.alternativephotography.com/FromPinholeToPrint.html.